You ever see a bird that close? Yeah, man, he's 3 feet away. Yeah, you know, Bambi. What a way to start a morning, man. So here I am with my Go Tracks, my helmet, my light, and I turn it on. I'll leave it like so, and I can have this blinking if I want. At least you can see it, right? Does a nice job. I like this helmet. It's a product review helmet. I did 1,500 product reviews, and I can't remember every name of the review. Sometimes, these things, they just annoy you because they're twisted on the wrong way and all that good stuff. Well, I'm going to get on out of here because I want to turn my scooter on. And the scooter doesn't have a preset memory, but just for the odometer. I have to do a double press and I can get my light to go on. I'm all set up because this low level light